I'm Kisha, and I'm going to show you how to do some Angry Birds clay. The Angry Birds that we're going to do are Baby Redbird and Bubbles. There's one Baby Redbird that's a boy, one Baby Redbird that's a girl, one Bubbles that's a boy, and one Bubbles that's a girl. So the colors that we are gonna need are red, black, yellow, and a little bit white. So the first thing we're going to do is make the baby red bird. We're going to need a little bit red ball, so I'll move this part because the cut has some orange. Here's the bird that we're going to use, but we are needing a little bit more. There. This is how much we will need. So we're just going to put a little bit more. This is not for it to, this is for the girl big one. We are going, and now we're going to put this red at the side, but we will need it for Bubbles candy later. We'll just put these right here. Alright, and then we'll first make the boy baby redbird. We're gonna circle it. And then this should be how it, this is how it will look like. Remember to make sure there's no lines, but there's still a little line. So I don't want to remove that because I'm just going to cover it up maybe later. Now we're going to use a little bit black for his hair. And then we'll use black later for the eyes too. So first we are going to cut them in half. Under it. And then we are going to make it like a teardrop. A teardrop is just like one side is only logged and the other side is just original. So like now this is how it looks like, and we'll just like flatten it a bit, and we will attach them carefully, or else we'll have to restart the whole clay again. Or if it's, to make it easier, you can attach them together before you attach them on the red. And now we are going to make the beak. We're going to use a little bit yellow, mixed with a little bit orange. Too much. Like about this much, because it's a baby redbird. Baby redbirds have to be small. And almost everything on them is small too. So from here we're going to make a teardrop again. We're not going to really attach it yet. We're just going to like press down on the bottom and then keep pressing down while you are forming the shape of a cone, like this. And then we will just like attach it on the baby redbird's body. And now we're going to move on to the eyes. Wait. We're going to use a little bit of white first before the black. Clear white, no other color. So if you want it really clear white, you have to wash your hands because we just used a color that's lighter than yellow. Like, see what happened? See what happened to it? It got a little bit yellow. It's getting more yellow, but I don't mind about that. It will be covered a bit from the black, and because I will cut it in half like this. I think I put too much. Right. There. Now I'll cut this in half. We'll just put the white outside for now. There. Just do this to it, and then clean my finger. I just had to clean my finger for a while. Come here. Alright. Come on. Stay here. There. Now, since we've already smashed it just like this, carefully attach it on the body of the baby red bird. And this is how it will look. And then we'll attach the other one. And then this is how they will look. Now we will use a little bit black. And just a little bit. I'm doing the first eye first because I don't want to rush on the next eye or else it will be hard. Okay. Maybe it's not a good idea to do it really at the edge because there's a hole at the edge. And the clay you might... Now